Let's fill out the Maryland motorcycle bill of sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the motorcycle and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the motorcycle, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the motorcycle. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. When you sell a motorcycle in this state, you will want to put together a solid bill of sale. Even though it is not always legally required, it is strongly recommended, and it can protect both you and the buyer down the road. So, what needs to go on it? First, the document should clearly show the seller as the owner of the motorcycle. This establishes that you actually have the right to sell it. Next, you will need to include the sale price. Write out exactly what the buyer is paying for the bike. You also need to record the date of the sale, so everyone knows exactly when the transaction took place. Now, here is one that comes from federal law, not just your state. You must include the odometer reading at the time of sale. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.